ready to go into classroom, cooking class.
Woo!
I want to learn how to make flourless bread, and I have my auntie waiting and ready to teach me. I don't know if you're interested, but let's go to class.
Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this plantain and oat bread. You can also call it cake, which I just took out from the freezer and the banana into the blender. Next, 2 eggs.
Alright, auntie, I pretty much have everything. And the oats, the star of the show. Okay, auntie, I hope I'm doing right. I don't want to disappoint you because you're doing so well.
This in the oven in 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes.
Auntie, I have Fahrenheit, so I'm starting the oven and I'm putting it up to 350, which is equivalent to your 180 degrees. First of all, I would like to thank Auntie for showing me how to make a flourless bread. What I love about that bread is that it allows me to make it my own. I added no sugar to it, and I'm so grateful that it has no flour. It's in keeping with my health goals. You notice that mine is a little bit smaller, and it was with intention because it helps me to control my portion size. Serve that up with some peanut butter or yogurt and you would have a protein-packed meal. The possibilities are endless. I trust that this was an inspiration for you if you're on a health journey. I wish you all the best. If you're not, join us. Come on, making healthier choices for a better life. Until next time, be inspired and God bless you.